everybody. Welcome to the Vegas Vegan. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christina. To those of you who've been following me, mwah! Today's recipe, Alfredo pasta. Creamy, dreamy, and quick. With just a couple of variations, we're going to veganize this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This recipe is so quick and so easy, you're not going to believe it. And it's a snap to veganize. We're just making simple swaps. Instead of regular butter, we're using our plant-based Earth Balance butter, 2 tablespoons. I've got my stove turned on medium-low. I'm using a little bit of onion powder. You can add garlic powder. I'm using these Italian herbs and then some black peppercorns to give it a kick. And then I'm careful not to burn the butter. We're going to use some Himalayan pink salt. It's way better than the iodized salt that's bleached. Now here's another variation. Instead of using Kraft American cream cheese, we're just substituting vegan cream cheese. So I'm using a blend of 2. I'm using a tablespoon and a half of the Kite Hill, and it's an almond milk base, and my Yokos cream cheese, a tablespoon and a half. You don't have to blend 2 different kinds. I just thought it'd be fun to get different tastes and different textures to make it creamy, dreamy, cheesy. Also, these are pretty expensive brands. I do have a video showing how to make your own cream cheese. Please check that out. So here I'm using 3/4 of a cup of my Almond Breeze almond milk. Just 3/4 of a cup. If you use a full cup, your sauce will be too runny, it won't be as thick, so I feel this is the perfect consistency. Here's my secret to getting things thick. I just add a tablespoon of cornstarch to some water, then pour that in after it's mixed, and it works really fast as a thickening agent. Also, you can use agar-agar as a thickening agent to thicken things up, but it works really quick. Check that out. Just really, really fast. Isn't that beautiful, honey? Nice, thick Alfredo sauce. Yummy. Okay. It is ready. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Creamy, delicious. Okay, now these should be about ready. I love this recipe because I'm back to working full-time again, and it's just so quick. The sauce literally was ready in the time it took to cook, drain, rinse, and toss my noodles. Look at that beautiful pasta. Oh well. Then we're going to take our beautiful sauce. This is just creamy, cheesy, comforting, those feel-good foods. And who doesn't need that after the year we've had? Trust me, we could all indulge from time to time in a little vegan comfort food. And steamy. Let's bring it over here. gorgeous. Shout out to my hubby for always being there for me. I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna grab and twirl, twirl, twirl. Ooh. That's a big bite. Oh my God, look at that. It's hot, it's steamy. How am I gonna get this all in my mouth? Oh. Okay, that's incredible. That is perfect Alfredo. Delicious. Let's eat, babe. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified of my next restaurant recipe, Veganize. Not ready to go yet? Keep watching. I have cocktail videos, whiskey tastings, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at VegasVegan for life.